Hi there, Year 3. Mrs. Doran here. Today we're going to do some computing, and today it's very exciting because we're going to do some programming and we're going to look at designing and creating a sprite and stage moving it. So the first thing you need to do with your laptop or your iPad is you need to click on this hyperlink, which is also in your learning pack, or you can Google Scratch and it should come straight up. Some of you might have done it before. So you should get a page like this, okay? So before we start, the first thing you need to do is go into tutorials. And this one here is Get Started, and this explains a bit about Scratch and about how to use it. So that's the first thing you've got to do. Okay, so don't start anything yet. When you have watched the video, then you can start making your sprite. So this is my page. I've just clicked onto Sprite. I've watched my tutorial, which is up here. Now, you don't necessarily have to log into these. I haven't. I've just gone on to start playing or start creating. You can, if you want to, save anything you do that's really good. Here we go, save to your computer. You can upload it again if you want to keep working on it. And if you get fed up with whatever you're working on because it's gone a bit disastrously wrong, like mine quite often do, you just click on New. All right. So this is my sprite here. It's a cat at the moment, and you can keep it as a cat, or you can change it and move it. So I'm going to move it. It'll change it to something different. I'm going to click on there. Did you see where that was? And find something else to do. Let's have a butterfly this time. Now, I don't want my cat, so I'm going to get rid of it for this time being. It's quite complicated having two when you're starting. And then if I go on this one over here, it says choose backdrop. So I can have a beautiful backdrop. That's a bit going around the forest. Okay. So now I've got my butterfly in the forest. So if I want to move it, I'll get it to do lots of different things because this is my sprite here. It's an object that I'm going to move. I come over here to where it says motion. All right. So it says move 10 steps. I'm going to drag that over into here. And then when I click it, that butterfly moves. Okay. If I want to get my butterfly to turn, I can use something like this. So I click on, and it's moved. Can you see it's just turned around slightly? Now, where it says 15 degrees is a bit complicated, but if I click, oh, not that one maybe. Okay, let's show you a different one. So if I go down here where it says point in the direction, this is when I can get my butterfly to turn around. So this is a bit like a clock. So I've got it to turn around that much. So let's see what happens now, shall we? Can you see? It's turned around, so it's pointing in a different direction. So I might want to get to move down there again. Let's see what happens now. Interesting. So you can do lots of different things over here. There's things that say look, so I can get my butterfly to say hello. There we go, say hello. Cool. And lots of different things. It says next costume. I haven't really tried that, but I'm sure you could. Sound. So play sound, pop. Let's see what other sounds I've got on there. I'm not going to record mine, but you might be able to. Let's see. Oh, can't hear it saying anything. Products my sounds off. What else have we got down here as well? Oh, events. This is quite useful. So first of all, I can put that on there. So when I click, let's put that down there. When I click on the green flag, which is over here, it should start. This voice did work. I'm impressed. Okay. Now, if I wanted to repeat that, then can you see what it says repeat or forever? Let's get this round here, and I should be able to wrap it around the whole lot. And let's see what happens in there. So it's repeated of 10. Okay, so there's lots of different things you can do. Now, I challenge you to find some Sprite and try and get some different things of it moving around and try to keep it in this box here, which I've had great problems with. Okay, I'm sure you are going to be experts, more than I am, but good luck with everything. See if you can make your Sprite move around there, do lots of different things, making noises, etc. And you can, I remember, if you want to, save it. Okay, so you can save it onto your computer, clicking there, and it will come up in your downloads, and then send it to your teachers and prove that you're much better than Mrs. Dora. Right, thank you, Year 3. See you soon. Bye.